Okay, so today we are talking about our Brighten and Lighten beauty box set. And this is for hyperpigmentation. So there's different types of hyperpigmentation. It could be from sun damage, or it could be from acne damage, so like from blemishes. So it might be brown spots or red spots. But this kit is quite the little workhorse of products for hyperpigmentation. So it has your instructions in there and your 4 products. And the first one is the hydrating cleanser, which you can use to dry cleanse or regular cleanse and get your skin prepped. There is the Mandelic Serum to begin exfoliating and lightening your hyperpigmented spots. And then it has vitamin A serum, which is like the gold standard for skincare. So very strong, powerful stuff that you will see really good results with. And then there's a peptide moisturizer that has peptides to build collagen and start to repair your skin and also help with inflammation. So that peptide moisturizer is anti-inflammatory. So if you have hyperpigmentation, that's a good kit to start with. And if you have any questions, go ahead and post.